Roberto,
Yeah.
what do you have today?
I don't know.
Toge, ginisang toge. So yummy. So perfect. Lami kayo. The most delicious toge ever.
Toga.
Diba? So ano pang inantay natin? Tikman na natin ang ating ginisang toge. So let's give it a try. Dahil hindi natin malalaman kung masarap kung hindi natin siya titikman. Perfect dahil. Perfect. Sarap. Oh. Sabaw. Sabaw. So, unang subo sa inyo mga mahal. Let's give it a try. No? Mm. Mm. Lamig kayo nga. Toge, beans, and cabbage. Perfect. Hmm?
Well, I'm not really supposed. He wasn't killed. So what happened to him? Well, he was handed over to the state.
Sarap. Mm.
He lives in that.
Lami?
Well, it's more of a
Sarap? Lami?
Okay.
Lami ka.
It used to be Andrew. But when he came back,
Marami pang pusit kasi niluto ko lahat siya yesterday. It's actually 4 pounds. No? 4 pounds siya. Inubos ko ng luto para perfect. So ayan, we're happy and perfect ang ating dinner. Mm. Super sarap. Mm. Again, we are Makulay na Buhay, USA Live. Love you everyone.